Hello everyone, welcome to part 3 of my shout out and question and answer videos. Just excuse me, I need to look, the candles are completely gone now. Better blow them out. Hang on. They don't last 2 minutes. Well, actually they must have gone on for at least an hour. There we go, we don't want those catching fire. Right, oh, this silly backdrop. I don't know why it keeps doing this. It keeps changing. I've got to sort of a screen saver thing that keeps saying, do you want to watch the next video, before it's even shown the first one. You can't see it, but this is, I'm looking at the Eiffel Tower. It's Paris in the snow now. Right, oh, now it's stopped. Oh, I'll just turn the thing off. So annoying, so annoying. Right, where was I? Oh, heck. This is just ludicrous, isn't it? Now, oh dear. Sorry about this, folks. We've just finished the last video. I hope there's not another delivery coming. We just finished the last video with me talking about Australia, my thoughts on Australia. From not Christopher Moore, that was about the shark. It was from Fugi or Fuji 2425. Right. Constant vans going by, people getting Christmas presents delivered. Most of them are coming here, I have to admit. Hello, Richard Garner. Roger, can I have a shout out? Yes, you can, Richard Garner. Hello. Oh dear, I can hear a van door sliding open. I've had Amazon. Who else is due? I'm not due. I don't think I'm due anything else. I'm not answering the door in this silly jumper. I'm going to have to pause. Right. Wasn't even for me. I've got that many parcels now for next door. I should have a service, shouldn't I? I should start charging for taking parcels in for folk. Right. Where was I? Right, we've done the shout out for Richard. Cooking with Green Dog asks, can I use Henry Bagless? Well, you can use Henry Bagless, but I wouldn't advise using Henry Bagless. It is possible to not have a bag in Henry and just rely on the filter, and I've seen Henry's used like that in shops and offices, but personally, for the relative small cost of genuine HEPA flow bags, I wouldn't bother. Just buy the bags for it. Don't use it bagless. You can, as I said, you can, but what will happen is that the filter will get dirty quickly and it will cut the suction off quicker. So, and it's messy to empty. Oh, I thought it was going to be another delivery. So yeah, just buy some bags, basically. So yes, you can use it, but you're not supposed to. It is possible to use it, Henry, without a bag. Chase of the Paw Patrol, can I have a shout, please? I think you mean shout out. Hello, Chase of the Paw Patrol. Trenton, I can't pronounce your surname, Trenton. Well, that's a nice name, isn't it? Trenton. Trenton Dozy, is it? Hey, ibaisaic, love your videos. Just started watching this year. Can't get enough. Shout out Trent. Hello, Trent. Nice that you've joined me. Where have you been? I've been here for years and years. Shrink David says, what is Article 13? I can't go into detail. Shrink David. Just Google it, or even just YouTube Article 13. Even YouTube themselves have been putting up videos about it. Anthony Latimer says, favourite guy. Thank you, Anthony. I'm assuming you mean me, I'm not sure. Mogo Bo 97 Movie Maker, aka Evil Northerner 90 Pixel Train YT, wants a shout out. Well, I'm too tired to shout you out now. Shorten your YouTube name, I think. Maryland Elevators, can I have a shout out? There you go, Maryland Elevators. They're quick, no question. I like the questions though. Nathan Rust says, hi Nathan. And then he says hi again, so hi Nathan. Bodie or Booty Man 72. Roger, can I get a shout out? He's called Andy. My question is, are there any vacuum cleaners that you would like from anywhere in the world, even if you can't use them in the UK? Well, there's loads of vacuums I'd like, but unfortunate enough, I can normally get, if I want a vacuum, I'll get it by hook or by crook. I would like a Vorwerk system, but I won't get one because they're too expensive. So yeah, I'd like to try one of those, but I can't see myself forking out for the whole caboodle, which would be about £1,500. But yeah, not really, Andy. Louise, hello Louise Sturton. I think this is going to be an advert for Shark here. I know Louise is a big Shark fan. There's nothing wrong in that. Hi Roger. Firstly, thank you for all these bonus videos. It is so appreciated. I was wondering if you have heard about any future developments with Shark. They are so superior to the hated Dyson. You'll be getting thumbs down, Louise, for that comment. You're very brave. I've said before, whatever, I don't care if people like Dyson, if they like Shark, whatever they like, it's up to them to like whatever they want to like. Who am I to say what you should like and what you shouldn't like? I like what I like, like what you like, and that's how the world should be. And don't get upset about other people not liking what you like. Be very boring if everyone liked the same thing, wouldn't it? Anyway, I know Louise likes Shark. So, have I heard about any future developments with Shark? They are so superior to the hated Dyson. What did that? I really don't know why people are brainwashed by them, in brackets Dyson. Also, can me and my Brett have a shout out too? We watch your videos every day. Merry Christmas to yourself and all the family. Thank you, Louise. So, hello to Louise and Brett up there again in Bonnie, Scotland, I believe. I haven't heard of any future developments. I'm not privy to anything. I'm not privy with anything Shark do. The first I know about anything new mainly is when you lot know about it, when I'm offered a cleaner from Shark, when the lady from Shark, I've forgotten her name, I'm sorry if she's watching. When I'm offered something new, it's always exciting to see. But you can bet that Shark will be coming up with new ideas all the time. They always seem to be bringing out new things, and you know, I think the next thing probably for us in the UK will be the 0M version of the cleaners we get now, but with the 0M brush roll that removes the hair. But yeah, I think, to me, as I've said before, Shark are a brand to look out for when you want innovation, and it used to be Dyson, but to me, whatever people think about Shark, they do tend to have some good ideas. So, anyway, if I get them, Louise, everyone will know about it, and hopefully, if they're still giving out samples, I know you've had some in the past, hopefully they'll still send you something to have a look at and review as well. So, happy Christmas to Louise and Brett. Connor Shannon, season's greetings, hope you're well. What is your oldest vacuum cleaner and the newest vacuum cleaner? Merry Christmas from the Emerald Isle of Ireland. My oldest is probably, you've not seen it, and it's a vacuum cleaner sort of, is a pump operated vacuum called a Star. And basically it's a big long tin with a bellows on the top and a wooden handle, and a little metal nozzle, and basically you hold the bit with one hand, and then you pump the bellows with the other hand as you're pushing it round, and it's supposed to suck up dust. So that's probably my oldest. My oldest mains powered is, I would say, is probably the Hoover 612. My newest, I'm not going to say, because I think Santa might be bringing me some new vacuums, so they will be my newest ones. So, but is there a newest one that I can actually mention that Santa isn't bringing me? Can't think. Did I open something recently? What did I? No, I don't know. You'll see what my newest vacuums are on Christmas Day. That's all I'll say, Connor. I really need new glasses. DJK Info, is that? DJK Info. Hello from America, ibaisaic. Which German upright vacuum do you think is better, Miele or Sibo? And have you ever been to Pennsylvania? And may I have a shout out? No, I've never been to Pennsylvania. As I've said in earlier videos, I've only been to Florida. So, you know, and that was a long, long time ago. The Miele or SIBO debate. Personally, I do think the Miele U1 or S7 upright does clean better than the SIBO. Despite the results I got from Vacuum of the Month, it does have better agitation. It also has a much better tool setup. It's more, you know, it does reach further up the stairs, not right up the top, and it is solid as a rock when you're using the hose. The SIBO obviously will topple if you pull it. The SIBO though is lighter, and I think the SIBO is more robust and better made. I think the SIBO will last longer than the Miele. The SIBO is very good on pet hair. It's very hard to say. I would say for convenience and performance, the Miele, although it is a lot bigger and bulkier than the SIBO. For build quality, the SIBO. Oh, just get both. Just get both. It's, you know, it's a personal thing, really. I can't really put one higher, but if Miele could produce a more compact, lighter upright with still got a full stair cleaning hose and it's still manoeuvrable, then that would knock the SIBO out of the water. The SIBO is a lot more compact and you know, but the SIBO doesn't have the swivel action. Oh, you know, I don't know, don't ask me. Anyway, thanks for your question. Can't really give you a definitive answer on that one. Stano Luke, 2 questions. What is the worst vacuum you have owned? Second question, if you could, this question again, if you could only own one vacuum, what would that be? Worst vacuum, probably, yeah, that peeler, that round one concept thing. It was, I've still got it. Absolutely appalling vacuum cleaner. A poor excuse for a vacuum. If I could only own one, why ask me that? Oh, one vacuum. Oh heck, you see, it comes down to an upright or a cylinder canister, and if it was a cylinder model, it would have to be one with a power head to get the best of both worlds. Gold. Or have a decent upright with a good hose. Alright, I'm going to go, I don't really like being put in this position. Probably for an all-round performance, it's got its good points and bad points, but I can see this being, if I only had one vacuum cleaner, I could see this coping with mostly everything I need it to clean, and that would be the Miele U1 upright. I have to say, oh, I forgot about the SIBO Felix. Ooh. Can I have 2? Alright, it will still be the Miele, followed very closely by the SIBO Felix, but the SIBO Felix with all the optional attachments, the extension hose, the wands, all the tools, so I could make it versatile. But yeah, the Miele would have to just... There we go, you've put me on the spot there. So, Sean's Repairs and Reviews. Have you seen my channel? I'm sorry, Sean, no, I haven't. Is it any good? I'll have a look at it now, shall I? Sean's Repairs and Reviews. I wonder if he's got vacuum cleaners. Well, if you want to go and look at Sean's channel, he's only got 16 subscribers, so go and subscribe to Sean. He's uploaded a few videos. He's got a pneumatic Henry, and he's demoed a Eureka Whirlwind, and there's some fire, another Henry extra, and a toy. He's got a toy Henry and a Shop Vac Micro review. What else has he done on his channel? He's videoed his Nan's vacuum. What vacuum has your Nan got? Shall we have a look? What is your Nan's vacuum? Come on. The internet's a bit slow today. I think this is this will be only 3 parts because I think I've finished. I think Sean was the last doodah. There's a lot of, I won't read what he's put, it's a bit of a swear. A lot of cats. Oh, I think Sean's American. So, if you are American, Sean, you've got a pneumatic Henry in America. Not many people have one of those. Don't buy a Bissell something or other. Aero Swift, is it? Anyway, you can watch Sean's Nan's vacuum video if you like. He's got no comments, so go and give Sean some support on his channel if you like. It looks like Sean is from America, but yes, he's got a pneumatic Henry. When I saw that, I thought he'd be from the UK, because there's not very many American collectors that have got a Henry, so he's quite lucky to have a Henry. So I think that could be it. So I'm just going to double check, because I've come to the end of all my comments on underneath the video requesting, but what I will do is refresh the page just in case anyone's asked me anything while I've been making these videos, and I will put newest first, see if we've got any. No, I think that's it. I think that's it. I think we've done everyone. I've just got a couple more messages come up, but they're on another video. I've got more comments obviously, but they're not under the shout out video, so I think I've more or less finished. We've only gone on to 3 videos, so let me just quickly check again just to make sure somebody hasn't sneaked in right at the very end. What is the time? Oh, it's that time. I've got to edit all this now. That's what takes the time. Doing this is easy, chatting to you, it's when I put this in my computer, because obviously I'm going to want to illustrate some of the things I've said with pictures to make it more interesting for you, and to you know, you might not have heard of what I'm talking about, and you might want to see what it looks like. So to put a picture up behind me, I think it just makes the video a bit more interesting. So I will be doing a lot of sitting at my desk later today and editing this, and I've also got a big mess test to film today, so it's going to be a bit full on. It's starting to get to me now. We're nearly at the end, fortunately. Anyway, I think I've done everyone. I hope I haven't missed anyone out, but maybe if I have, there will be a chance on my Christmas Eve video. I might be able to fit some of you in. Any very young vacuum fans, your video is coming up in a couple of days, so if I haven't mentioned you, if you're a very young vacuum fan, you've got your own special video coming up, so don't worry, that is in hand as well. So that's it. Phew, had a few interruptions, my candles didn't last and my thingy stopped whizzing round, but I think I've done everyone. Thanks for watching. Sorry if you had to wait till the 3rd or 2nd video to get your shout out, but hopefully you all enjoyed the shout out, and maybe you learnt something from my answers. That's it. Tune in tomorrow for another video in this Advent series. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.